Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a skeleton cake pop. So hope you follow along and enjoyed this video today. Now to start off with our skeleton cake pop, let's begin by drawing the circle for the head. So I'm just going to begin right up here and I'm going to make a nice big sad face, just like this. And then right here, I'm going to make a nice big happy face for the bottom of our cake pop. Now, starting down here, let's make a little wavy line. You can make them a little bit different size bumps, just from one end to the next. Then starting here, let's draw a long line that comes down for the stick of our cake pop. We'll draw another long line right here. And then let's go ahead and connect them. Now, starting here, let's make the eyes. I'm going to make an oval shape for this eye. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to make another big oval shape for the eye. I'm going to make a big circle at the top of each eye, kind of like a little reflection. Then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to color in the rest of this eye just to make it look like it's all nice and dark. So we're just going to color in the rest of this oval inside of here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, kind of like a little triangle. Then I'm going to go up and down again, and then just color this in for the nose of our little skull cake pop. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a nice big smile. And I'm going to make this just a little bit darker, so I'm going to draw this line a couple times on here just to make it the line a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to add some little lines going down here just to make it kind of look like it's more of like a skull. And there you go, there is your drawing of a skull cake pop. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.